Hello YouTubers, yes, I'm back and doing another video on shock absorbers for my truck. When I ordered these, I thought I was only doing one of each, but apparently they came in a pair and I got two pairs when I ordered them. And where I got them from, some of them may scoff and some of you say, oh, you don't order from there, blah blah blah. Anyway, I ordered from Auto Shack. I checked around Parts I Retire, Rock Auto, Wrench Monkey, and those parts. The price was, but these here instead of two, I mean 80 bucks, not bad. So I got the other set installed today on my truck, which I got pictures of it, and I noticed the back of my truck went up an inch. I have a picture of it, it's far away, doesn't look too good, but you can see the difference. Even though my truck's sitting on an incline, you see the picture, and I got a shot of it on my truck. So yes, I am selling these pair on Facebook Marketplace, and I got $80 to $60 on them for the whole set, so it's a good offer. I mean, the guy who put money on my truck, my mechanic, he said they look good, they look nice and sturdy, and they look good heavy duty, but people may scoff. But I've been using that website for years on my vehicles that I owned, and I had no problems with the product I bought from that shop, online shop. So anyway, so I hope you like this video. I have pictures of using my caliber of dimensions in millimeters of what these look like. The shocks that were on my truck were about half the size, maybe smaller than that. They were stock, and when you pushed on those, they were gone. I mean, they were shot. Been on the truck since 2015 stock, and they're not very good shock. But these ones here, the truck rides better and it works better with these. So anyway, I'm gonna have to maybe in the near future buy some for the front, because she's sitting lower in the front now with the new ones. So I'm gonna have to look around and compare prices. Like I said before, I checked all the websites and I found that the shocks, the struts in front from that website are cheaper there than on the other ones. And to get them from here, oh my goodness, $300 to $400 a piece for one, with the coil spring and the cup on top and the shock itself, or strut. So anyway, that's about it. You have a nice day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.